In the event that the composite switch becomes disassembled and is unsafe to use, these steps will guide you through the reassembly process. Start with the bottom switch by ensuring that the spring is securely in place within the switch. Place the black spur gear on top of the spring, with the flat side facing upward. Align and snap the composite switch back into position. Thread the wooden pole through the top composite switch and align it with the bottom switch that you just reassembled. Place the spring to the end of the wooden pole by the top switch. Now we will reassemble the top composite switch. Start by inserting the button into the switch. Make sure the button is all the way in the switch. Then place the locking wheel onto the button, followed by positioning the black spur gear on top of the locking wheel with the flat side facing downward. If the black spur gear isn't fitting on top of the locking wheel and can easily fall off, this means that the button isn't inserted correctly, and you will need to go back and make sure the button is fully inserted. Once the button, locking wheel, and black spur gear are assembled, align them with the spring attached to the wooden pole and securely snap the composite switch back into its original position. Test the functionality of the switch by pressing its button to confirm both locking and unlocking is fully functioning. For the final step, complete the process by screwing the composite switch of the top and bottom back into the panel. If you have any further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Thank you and enjoy your new Comfy Cubs playpen.